sometimes you gotta pray for a victory. Yeah, I'm overzealous when I'm thinking about the cash flow. I never had no handouts, just came natural.
So welcome to another video. Today we have another, because it's the start of the season, another support drop package from DeWalt. So yeah, why not unbox it together? Bring the DXL today with us here. So we can put on here some of the smaller stuff that we're gonna review today. But mainly today, we also got these cool notebooks today. Here you go. Today we have a special bag. This is a special version, limited edition DeWalt and McLaren duffel bag, I think it's called. Basically it's a bag for tools and stuff like this. But I found another usage for it. I mean, you have a lot of cool spaces here to put tools and stuff, but for me I'll show you. I usually had my helmet and my race suit and everything and the gloves separately, but this time I wanted this to be able to put everything into one bag. I mean, my helmet, my race suit and everything. I have this everything in the different, like my under things where I put my gloves, my everything. I just wanted to have everything in one place. Things organized and have everything in one place, so it fits perfectly. As you see, my suit, my helmet, and also you have pockets here and inside, so I can put my comms inside here and anything related to helmet or the suit. Anything extras, anything that I want, I can have them inside here so it doesn't get lost. Everything is like extra visors also probably can fit somewhere here, but also it has two wheels here, and I think you can open this and make it like a trolley bag. Ooh. This is really cool. Like going around there is pretty quiet. Also, like, oh, hello there, I'm here to race. Yeah, suiting up. Everything here, nicely packed. And also you can see here, you can have your paperwork and everything you need for the registration, and also your name tag here. So let's move on to the next stuff. So next we have something I really anticipated for a long time. I mean, long time, especially now that in the end of the year we're gonna need some more boost in the way of cooling stuff up, because we'll try starting the late of the year boosting the car. So this is a blower, she said. So we're gonna have to this bad boy here. Whoa! I almost blew out my my light. Really cool, compact, small. You have a switch here. You also have this knob here on top, this guy here, and also you have a knob here which you can basically, like, the more you push, the faster it goes. We're gonna have a lot of use with this bad boy for sure, especially in the hot days, on the hot track days in Greece. DCW210 NT. It's a brushless sander, round sander. It'll be useful for sanding stuff, sanding the car if I want to paint something. It also will be useful for helmets, for painting. It comes in a really nice foamy. This is the first time I see a foam inserts in these cases. That's cool. A button here, if you can see, and also you can switch, like there's a lot of speeds you can choose from. So basically, as you see, there's a small vacuum holder. This is the whole sander itself. It has speed switches here. Also the on and off buttons are here. And it starts like, you can sand whatever you want. Exciting. This is here. This is the new XR series brushless cordless tools. These are the new, like, I think they're more compactish than the older. Look how, I'm not gonna be afraid to say how a sexy tool is this. So basically, as you know, you put into this tip the grinding tips, and then you will be able to work. This is the older version they had, and this is the new one version they had. I mean, there are gonna be ups and downs in each of them, for sure. And we will do a depth review for these guys here, because I'm pretty sure and I'm pretty excited to have them on board. Again, look at this size. Look at this size. Okay. Damn. Let me show you the wheel that I use most of the time is this guy here. It's a machine and it's a beast of a work. And this new guy is basically almost half the size. Still safe, still 125. And this one also has a more safety feature toggle, because you can basically have to press this and press it to operate it. Ooh. So this is a 18 volt 1200 amps battery. This is a huge battery for like things like the blower, and there's one more big tool coming up later, I think, which will need this big boy here. This guy is huge. Oh, they also included here, this is the red cap here for the batteries, is the cap that you have to use for airplane transportations, and in general when you're transporting the battery somewhere. So all of the inserts and the contact places are intact and safe. Look at this, look at the size of these batteries, and it all depends on the workload you need to do. You have the battery depending on what is the need for the job. So depending on the job, you have a certain battery to go with. So for lighter work and smaller tools, you would go with the smaller power stacks. For the bigger ones, you can go with the 5 amps. Here I have, this is the small one, is a 3.5 amp. And for the big stuff, you go with 12 amps. I'm gonna have to need some space here. It's the smaller version, I would say, for organizing stuff with DeWalt. It's the Tough System 2.0, the smaller brother of the DXL, also a system drawer. And the cool thing is that these guys are compatible, as I know, with the Toughs, with the DXL if you put them on the sides. We're gonna test it later on and do a more in-depth review how to combine these guys here with these guys here, so we have a big variety of the DXL workstation so everybody can work around, because I think these guys can be put on the side, so you have side drawers instead of only front. So basically when you're gonna be working here, people can, like, you know, on the track, so you don't have to wait the other guy taking out something from the front, you can put a drawer from the side. See what's in the last box. Ooh, I think it's a McLaren series. It's a T-stack system. Thank you for watching, and let's have a good season this year with a lot of content, with a lot of things to do together, and see you in the next one.